Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Today we will take a look on the Australian dollar, since on the euro currency market still calling around our resistance and forming some reversal pattern, but it hasn't finished yet with it. And currently we can't say really nothing new on the euro currency. Just need to wait a bit when we will get the clear pattern for a possible taking the position based on the bread and butter sell trade. Meantime, on the Australian dollar market also has hit our target that we have discussed, and today we mostly will take a look at the tactical pattern that has been confirmed on intraday charts. This is not really a big deal, but this is just completed pattern, and it could be traded within the session or two, maybe just some kind of the short-term setup. Because on the other currencies, I also do not see right now something really special. But on an Australian dollar, this pattern could be really interesting for somebody of you. So we know that the Australian dollar is the gold currency, and as gold has turned to the rally, Australian dollars also have got the support, and shows also a very nicely looking rally on the daily chart. So at the same time, in our weekly research on the gold market, we said that upside potential for the gold right now is limited, mostly by the 1285 area, since this will be a weekly overbought on the weekly chart of the gold market, and this will be also the fib resistance. That's why we dare to suggest that on an Australian dollar also could be some sale. It could be formed in the nearest time, and probably market could hold for the current levels for some time, or even to show some retracement down. So you can see initially this action has started by this butterfly. Right now, market has completed our A, B, C bottom D target, and now it stands at daily overbought as well. So this situation, the combination of the A, B, C, D target with the overbought, would give us some background for possible scalp short trading. So for those of you who trade on the intraday charts, on the patterns that now have been formed on the intraday charts, this could become the context for trading. If you will take a look at the same time, this is really fast action, and probably later when the market will show some retracement down, upward action could continue. So if you will take a look at the intraday charts on the 4-hour time frame chart, why in general I have started this talk on the Australian dollar at all. So you could see that market has completed, has confirmed, or better to say, double ripple sell pattern on the 4-hour time frame chart. So here we see this ABCD, this last part, the CD leg also is accompanied by this butterfly sell pattern. This market right now has hit the this 1618 extension of the butterfly, and right at the top and the completion point of the daily target, market right now is forming the double ripple sell pattern. So thrust up, very nice thrust by the way, close below the 3x3, close above, and creating the new top. As you can see, the fast acceleration attempt on further continuation. This market later drop, and take a look now where the market is closed below the 3x3 here. Close 74.26, 74.30. Right, so you can see on the table on the left, close price stands below the 3x3 moving average for the 4 pips. So this is second close below the 3x3, and that is the confirmation candle for the double ripple sell pattern. Appearing of the double ripple doesn't mean that market should drop right now. This also is possible, but maybe the double ripple very often takes the shape of some other patterns. For example, I will show you on the hourly chart, this could take the shape of the head and shoulders. It's minor head and shoulders, because as you can see, this upward action stands at 1.618 extension of this previous retracement. So you can see that the head potential head stands at 1618 of the left shoulder. And this is very typical ratio for a head and shoulders patterns. Usually takes the 1618 extension. So right now you can see that market stands on the slope of the head. If it will turn down and reach the neckline, it will erase on the 4-hour time frame chart this rally. So chances that market will continue move up immediately really not very strong, mostly due to the existence of this combination of the target and the overbought condition. So market probably should take some pause or even to take the retracement that we count on. So if this pattern will work, you could enter differently. You could take the position differently. So you could try to take position based on the double repo directly, or you could wait when the hand shoulders will be formed and trying to take position on the top of the right shoulder. So this mostly depends on your trading stance. So if you mostly use the classic patterns, you could try to use the hand shoulders. If you trade on the Dinopoly, you could use the double repo pattern that already has been confirmed. Well, stops should be placed somewhere probably above the top. It will be better, although Dinopoly pattern suggests that you should place the stop above the 618 resistance of this most recent move down. So market will exceed the 1618, return right back up. This will be the challenge on the failure of this pattern. Besides, guys, if you trade based on the Dinopoly technique, you could, in fact, here you have simultaneously two scenarios. So first is the direct double repo. If it will start to work, you will make money on the direct pattern. But if market will fail, you will get another pattern. This will not be the cancellation and the destruction of your trading. This will not it will not mean that your trading is over here, but you will get the double repo failure pattern. That's also directional pattern, and in this case you will have to turn your position in opposite direction and go long instead of the short, and with the anticipation of further upward action, because double repo failure is the bullish directional pattern in current situation, and it will suggest that market will continue to move higher. That will let you to return back your money and even maybe to get some profit here. So you can see in general this setup is not bad, and it rather clear. So we have the combined picture starting on the daily chart with the resistance and target, with the dropping low to the 4-hour time frame chart. We're getting the reversal bullish bearish reversal pattern. That's double repo sell. The target of this pattern will be, its minimum target stands at 72.96. It's a 50% or better to place the profit somewhere around 73. This will be 50% support of the whole thrust of the double repo. This is the minimum target. If you'll take a look at the daily chart, you'll see that it also will be 72.96, 73 approximately is right here. So that will be somewhere around the previous stops. So market could, for example, drop here, retest the stops, and then continue move higher. Then I suggest that probably somewhere in this area also will be the 3/8 support of the whole move up. So we could try to take a look at it, where this stands, the 3/8 support of this thrust. Right, no, it's slightly lower, so 72.33. So the double repo target approximately at 73 even. So that's short-term setup, tactic setup on the Australian dollar. Although it's very short-term, but still, guys, it looks not bad, and it's rather clear. It mostly explains its attractiveness right now. Meantime, still we will wait for reversal pattern on the euro, and maybe tomorrow we will take a look at it. If it will be done, we probably will try to take position based on our bread and butter sell trade.